Alright, today we're going to talk about distance versus time graphs. A distance versus time graph looks like this. You'll have distance graphed on the y-axis and time graphed on the x-axis. The purpose of a distance versus time graph is to show how far an object went and how long it took to get there. Now the formula for speed is distance over time. That distance over time graph shows you the speed of an object. So you can see that distance is a measure of length. It will usually be given to you in meters, kilometers, feet, or miles, or any variation of those. It could be inches instead of feet, it could be centimeters instead of meters, millimeters. Sometimes there's really big ones that are like thousands of kilometers, which is already 1,000 meters. And then you'll have time at the bottom, usually in seconds, minutes, or hours, sometimes days, depending on what they're talking about. You already know that speed is measured in meters per second, kilometers per hour, miles per hour. So you can see how meters per second, kilometers per hour. How to read the distance versus time graph. The distance over here will tell you how far the object traveled. If it is going away from the zero part, if the line is going away from the zero part, you can see that it's getting a further distance away from where it started. If the line is getting closer from the y-axis to the x-axis, that means the distance is going down. The object is getting closer. As far as time, that tells you how long it took to get there. The angle of the line tells you how fast it was going. The steeper the line, the faster it was going. And a flat line, where the distance isn't changing, means the object wasn't moving. These are a few common distance versus time graphs that you're going to see all the time. Again, that flat line means the object is stopped because the distance is not changing. Object going away fast is going to have a really steep line. The distance is quickly increasing. Versus an object going slow, you can see the distance is only slowly increasing.